స్టేట్లో వర్షపాతం ఈ రోజు నుంచి కొంచెం తగ్గుముఖం పడతా ఉంది. As per our IMD reports, I think by tomorrow you would have a situation where మన స్టేట్లో వర్షాలు బాగా నార్మల్కి వచ్చే పరిస్థితి, ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఫర్ ఫ్యూ ప్లేసెస్, ఐసోలేటెడ్ ప్లేసెస్లో మాత్రమే వర్షాలు ఉండే పరిస్థితి రేపటికల్లా వస్తుందని ఐఎండీ రిపోర్ట్స్ చెప్తాను. సో గుడ్ న్యూస్. బట్ ది alarming news is, or rather news that we ought to take very seriously is that probably in the past 100 years, never have we seen this kind of discharge in Godavari so early in the year. Normally, this kind of discharge post above 10 lakhs discharge usually is a phenomenon in August. But for the first time, we are also seeing this phenomena in the month of July itself, and that too in the first half of July itself. So that is a slightly alarming factor. But nevertheless, the current discharge at Dhavaleshwaram is around about 13 lakh cusecs. And this was reported at 11 a.m. And 13 lakh signifies second warning situation. And this is likely to move up to even 15-16 lakhs also closer to tomorrow. These are the reports that we have. So be prepared for even 16-17 lakhs of discharge also. The fact that even though we are going to be getting lesser rain starting tomorrow, the IMD also predicts Maharashtra to get even more rain. So that would have an impact on Godavari, and that in turn would have an impact on waters coming into Polavaram. So the situation of this 15-16 lakhs which will be registered tomorrow might continue to remain for some time, for at least 3-4 days, because of the fact that Maharashtra continues to get heavy rainfall. So be mindful of these numbers, and has given you instructions as to what are the protocols that one should be ready with. Be mindful of this fact. Not one death should be registered anywhere. That is a challenge that all the collectors would have to ensure. మీ జిల్లాలలో ఒక్క డెత్ కూడా రిజిస్టర్ కాకూడదు. This is something that one should be very, very, very mindful of it. I think currently you have 2 NDRF teams positioned at Konavaram and Chintur, Nellore Sita Ramaraju districts. And 4 SDRF teams are also stationed at VR Puram, East Godavari, Konavaram, Nellore Sita Ramaraju district, Amalapuram, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Konaseema district, and Jangareddy Gudam in Nellore district for search and rescue operations. So please make sure that these facilities are properly used so as to avoid any casualties which may arise. Ensure that control rooms are fully in operation. Monitor these control rooms and also ensure that 24/7 these control rooms are working. It's very important that these control rooms are taken very seriously. And also pertaining to various line departments, please ensure that standard operating procedures are properly followed. These are the things that one should always be mindful. These are very, very small things. But what we usually do is, as the load increases, as other things draw our attention, we somehow miss these small minute details. Please make sure that these minute details are properly put in place before we actually apply our mind to bigger things. Because this is the time that these minute details cannot be missed out of your head. And of course, the camps, organizing these camps, shifting people out of low-lying areas, and in those camps, please be mindful that the facilities provided there in those camps, be it the toilets, be it the water, be it the food, be it the blankets, these will actually show your empathy. If the collector is good, if the collector has got a good heart, it reflects on the quality of what you provide there. So please be mindful of these aspects. Provide them the best quality food, provide them with all these facilities